m'appelle Émilie et je viens de France.
I'm Andrea, I'm from Romania.
My name is Elena and I come from Latvia.
Well, here I am, almost finishing this year. And with EVS you lost a bit
Your boundaries. You think that before EVS you are really open-minded, but actually you are not.
Before coming here I thought, okay, I'm very, how to say, very independent, very ready for everything, but then you come and you find a lot of things that you can improve, you find a lot of things that you can do. First we started with karate trainings late at night, in the moonlight. The most entertaining thing was to do squats, squat challenge, and that's how we learned to count in each other languages. We also run, don't forget that we run.
And we take pictures as well.
We take pictures, and because we really take part in all of this fiestas here in the community, we ended up with a Facebook page, Foto Local.
Cambias la opinión de países que quizás solo conozcas a través de las redes sociales. Entonces, a través de estos proyectos puedes llegar más al fondo.